class capsules. We're prepared by the city, and this will add protection to possible victim because of the exposure sa pagbaha ng tao.
Kamusta po yung capacity ng hospital?
Okay naman. The good thing about Manila is that I think, as I have said a while ago, we are the largest healthcare provider in the entire country with regard to local government unit-owned hospital. We have 7 hospitals, we have 44 health centers all over the city. So, in terms of numbers, we have not achieved the level of threat the way it was during the pandemic time. Medyo yung kasi talaga overwhelmed. But with regard to the exposure to leptospirosis patients, we are still in a good condition, but it is very important that we, the government, local, international, should look into this. Kami lang medyo panatag kami kasi alam na namin mangyayari. Dahil year on year naman, may baha, may bagyo. So, and based on our data that we have acquired and analyzed in the past years, we came prepared in our own little way as a city government na abatan itong posibleng pagdami ng infection sa tao na leptospirosis.
Ito naman tayo,
But we're okay.
Leptos ka pa?
Sorry, did you say, Yorme, na it's lower than the previous years?
Hindi pa tapos kasi. Katulad ng una ko na naturan, hindi pa yung ngayon niya. Pag-antabay ka pa ng mga 1 week, medyo baka pumalo pa. Baka pumalo pa. So after that, we settle, we compare the data on with regard to number of exposure year on year, kung tumaas ba, bumaba ba, or the most important thing, more than those numbers, whether bumaba o tumaas, sana walang madisgrasya.
Last question.
Kasi it's a very dangerous infection.
So far, sir, yung capacity ng bed, okay at yun sa Manila?
Yeah, we're okay.
Sa Manila LG Hospital?
Manila LG Hospital.
Basta ako natin sa dialysis na bakit pinagawa.
May bulok na eh.
Hindi, ibig sabihin naman sa
We have to renovate the entire building, make it more maniwalas, and with a new partner that guarantees the protection of the city government and the people of Manila's interest.
So, last na lang ang mensahe sa ating mga kababayan para iwasan yung leptos.
Okay. Una, hindi ko malaman kung paano kayo umiwas sa baha, because baha is everywhere. Not only in Manila, but the entire Metro Manila kapag may pandemic. In as much as you can, umiwas tayo sa baha. But even if, limbawa, mababaha tayo, limbawa, ahead of time there is medicines available to further protect you.
Doxycycline.
With regard to
Doxycycline.
availability of doxycycline in our health centers, in our hospital. We still have about 200,000 more capsules. We did it already in the last rainy season, yung August, September last year, remember? So we did it again
So,
today.
available yun lahat health center.
Available. At kung kayong mahihiya, o ito po yung pangkalahatan, ano? Kasi may mga inquiry sa Facebook ko. Pang mahirap lang ba yan? Hindi po. Pang tao. So tao. Ibig mahirap, middle class, mayaman can avail of this.
And even hindi po residente ng Manila.
Kung kinakailangan maproteksyonan, because at the end of the day, sa amin din tatakbong ospital yan. Dahil dito rin sila nagkaroon ng infection. So, it's gonna cost us more, spend more, instead of maproteksyonan namin, mas maraming tao, mas maganda. The way it was in the pandemic, nakita niyo naman, pinilit namin yakapin ang kaya namin yakapin. Because yung kabutihan nila, habang sila tumutungo in and out of the city, kabutihan din ng mga taga-syudad ng Maynila. Lesser infection with regard to infectious disease is better for the people of Manila. And it is better for our medical facilities. Hindi kami machuchok, mabubulong.
Okay. Thank you.
Wala naman tos ka sa Maynila.
Thank you.